And that's it for tonight, brothers and sisters. Thank you guys for staying. This is Eman of Banana Adventures in behalf of Lisa and Kevin Charles. We're signing up for tonight. Thank you very much. Good night, everyone.
Congratulations sa Banayan Festival, lalo-lalo na kay Eman at kay Ma'am Lisa. Thank you for inviting us, and syempre sa suporta din sa Camp Hayatus from the very beginning. Yan yung mga mentor natin na tumutulong sa atin. Maraming salamat. God bless you, more power, and stay amazing, everyone.
Congratulations, Joanne Ramos. Enjoy your new King's awning from Overland Kings. Maraming salamat.
Congratulations, Banayad Adventures, Banayad Festival. More power para sa next year, mas marami pang pumunta.
Congratulations to Banayad Festival, and thank you for inviting Adventure Tech and Mike Coolman to this wonderful event. Hope to see you all guys again next time. See you next year also.
Hi everyone, good evening. I'm Camille Fabero, Brand Activation Supervisor from Motolite. And we're glad to be part of this very successful event. Motolite is the premium leading battery manufacturer here in the Philippines, and we're glad to be of service to all overlanding participants. Motolite manufactures battery for all your battery needs, service you with all your battery requirements. So as we all know, Motolite is very familiar with car batteries, but we're also service overlanding equipments. So congratulations, and hopefully you can visit our booth here at the Banayad Festival.
Eto, sino bang walang awning dito? Wala pa? Okay. Okay, eto solusyon dyan. Bili kayong awning.
Congratulations to Banayad Festival for successful event, and thank you for inviting us.
Are you still here? Patay mo music.
Boss Eman, thank you so much for inviting us, Banayad Adventure, and congratulations. This is Dr. Joe Pro Clinic. Thank you so much. See you again in the next few years in every celebration. Thank you po.
First of all, maraming salamat ulit sa pag-attend sa ating Banayad Festival 2024 Day 1.